We had a customer call us with a pretty unique situation. They had recently had an entire patio built with decorative stained concrete, and in the process of doing that, the issue was that they nicked the water line underneath this concrete driveway and patio. So the customer really didn't want to damage their brand new driveway with all the decorative stonework they had. We were able to help them out with directional drilling. So what that is it allows us to have two different points of entry. We started by the water meter, where it was just a small hole there and then a small hole at the house, and we were able to tunnel, essentially directional drill under the driveway and all of the landscaping. Places that this works great for is under any kind of parking lot, pavement, concrete, landscaping, trees, all of it. We go under it instead of digging up the whole yard, and that's an immense savings when it comes to a very delicate manicured yard. Not only does it lower your overall cost, the directional drilling plumbing part may be a little bit more expensive than trenching, but you're not left with a big dirt pile in the middle of the yard. You've got the same landscaping that you started with. If you ever have an issue like that or a big problem trying to get under any kind of obstruction, directional drilling is the way to go.